Okay, students, now we continue the topic applications of simple equation with the word problems. The question is given to you: in an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. Now here, suppose this is the isosceles triangle whose two sides and two angles are equal. Okay, A, B, C. Okay, the base angles are equal. So here are the base angle. This is the base of triangle BC. Okay, this is the base of triangle BC. So these are the base angle. Here is one and here is one. Angle B and angle C are equal. The vertex angle is 40 degree. This is the vertex angle, 40 degree. This is the isosceles triangle whose two sides are equal and two angles are also equal. Then find the base angles. We have to find the value of these two base angles. And one note is given: the sum of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. This is the angle sum property of triangle. By this property, the sum of all three angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. Okay. So here we use the angle sum property. By angle sum property of triangle, the sum of all three angles is equal to 180 degree. Okay, this is the angle sum property of triangle. Now students, in this example we have to find the value of base angles. So I suppose that base angles are x. So this angle B is also x and this is also x. Now by using this property, the sum of all three angles is equal to 180 degree. So we can write here 40 degree plus second angle is x plus third angle is also x is equal to 180 degree. Now 40 degree as it is plus x, that means 2x is equal to 180 degree. Again, now to find the value of x, now we shift this 40 degree from left hand side to the right hand side. So here we get 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 40 degree. We shift 40 degree from left side to the right side. Now we get 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 40 degree. So here we get 140 degree. Now to find the value of x, we shift this 2 from left side to the right side. 2 is multiplied on LHS, it becomes divided on RHS. So here we get x is equal to 140 degree upon 2 and 140 degree upon 2, that means 70 degree. So here we get the base angles x is equal to 70 degree. Okay. In this way, first we set up the equation for the given word problem and then we find the value of variable x. Student, note one thing here. The sum of all three angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. And if the question is related to the quadrilateral, then the sum of all four angles of quadrilateral, the quadrilateral may be square, may be rectangle, etc. The sum of all three angles of a quadrilateral, all four angles of a quadrilateral is always 360 degree. For triangle, the sum is 180 and for quadrilateral, the sum is 360 degree. Okay. Now we will see next example. Okay, students, this is the next word problem for you. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. So here are the two batsmen, Sachin and Rahul. Okay. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Okay. So Sachin scored more than Rahul. Together their runs fell too short of double century. Together means addition of their runs. Fell too short, that means 2 runs are less for double century, that means for 200. how many runs did each one score? That means we have to find the score of Sachin as well as score of Rahul. So here we start with the score of Rahul. Score of Rahul is equal to, suppose, x runs. Score of Rahul is equal to x runs, and according to the condition, Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. So here we can write score of Sachin. Score of Sachin is equal to 2 multiplied by x is equal to 2x runs. Okay. Now together means their addition. So here the score of Sachin, score of Rahul is x, score of Sachin is 2x. Together means their addition. Their runs fell too short of double century. Now, too short means 2 runs are less for double century. That means for 200. So, is equal to, we can write 200 minus 2. Okay, see the statement now here. X means score of Rahul. 2x means score of Sachin. Together means their addition. 2 runs short means 2 runs are less for double century, that means for 200. Okay, so here we set up the equation for the given word problem. Now we have to solve this equation. X plus 2x, that means here we get 3x, is equal to 200 minus 2, that means 198. Now to find the value of x, we shift this 3 from left side to the right side. 3 is multiplied on left side, it is divided on right side. So 198 upon 3, and if 198 is divided by 3, then we get here x is equal to 66. Now x is what? X is the score of Rahul. So here we can write score of Rahul. Score of Rahul is equal to x and is equal to 66 runs. Okay. Now to find the score of Sachin. Score of Sachin is equal to what? 2x. Now score of Sachin is equal to 2 multiplied by x. That means 2 multiplied by 66, and 2 multiplied by 66 is equal to 132. So here is the score of Sachin and 66 is the score of Rahul. In this way we set up the equation for the given word problem. This is the equation for the given word problem, and then we find the score of Rahul as well as score of Sachin. Okay. Now we will see the next example. Okay students, now here the next problem is in front of you. This is like a puzzle. See here, I am a number. Tell my identity. Take me 7 times over and add a 50. Now to reach a triple century, you still need 40. And now we have to find the number according to the given statements, according to the given word problem. This is like a puzzle. Now the first sentence is what? I am a number. Okay, suppose that number is x. Let the number is x. This is the identity of number. Tell my identity. This is the identity. The number is x. Take me 7 times over. So 7 times of x is equal to 7 multiplied by x. That means 7x. Now add a 50 to me. Now we have to add 50 with the 7x. Now add 50 to 7x. So we get 7x plus 50. Okay. Now to reach a triple century, you still need 40. To reach a triple century, now we have to need 40 for this equation, for this expression. Okay. Therefore, according to the condition, 7x plus 50 need 40 to reach a triple century. see this 7x plus 50. This expression needs 40 to reach the triple century. Triple century, that means 300. In this way, by reading all the sentence carefully, we set up the equation for the given problem. Okay. Now we solve this puzzle. Now we find the value of variable x. So 7x as it is, 50 plus 40 is 90. Okay. On right side 300 as it is. Now this 90 is plus on left hand side. It becomes minus on right hand side. So 7x is equal to 300 minus 90. So 7x is equal to 210. 7x equal to 210. Now to find the value of x, we shift this 7 from LHS to the RHS. So x equal to 210 divided by 7, and 210 divided by 7 is 30. So the number in the puzzle is x equal to 30. In this way, we read the sentence one by one and we set up the equation for the given problem, and then we find the solution of the equation. So students, in this way we apply the concept which we already learned in our previous videos, previous topic. That means what is meant by variable, what is meant by expression, what is meant by equation, how to find the solution of equation, how to set up the equation from the given sentences. Okay. And so the name of this topic is applications of simple equation. That means here we apply all the concept to solve such type of word problems. We will continue this type of example in our next video. Till, thank you so much.